Hello friends, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today we are going to learn in our grammar book Good Grammar chapter 7 present perfect continuous tense. Here we have conjugation of present perfect continuous tense sentences. I have been writing a lesson. This is affirmative sentence. I have not been writing a lesson. This is negative. Have I been writing a lesson? This is interrogative or question sentence in present perfect continuous tense. What is the present perfect continuous tense? We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing now, and actions that have been happening recently and may just have stopped. Actions emphasizing duration or how long something has been happening. So these are the uses of present perfect continuous tense. It is very common in conversations about ongoing activities, work, habits, and recent actions. Here we have table, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. I have been writing a lesson. Now have been or has been, okay, have been and has been, then then ing form of the verb. Have been, has been, write becomes writing, work becomes working. So these are the affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. You can see here we have more uses of present perfect continuous tense. Actions started in the past and is still continuing. We use present perfect continuous to focus on how long an action has been happening up to now. I have been reading this book for 2 hours. She has been working at the office since morning. They have been waiting here all day. We have been learning English for 3 years. I have not been watching TV lately. He has not been feeling well recently. These are negative sentences. Now we are going to learn questions in present perfect continuous tense. Here we have you been exercising regularly? Has she been living here for long? Used to. Recent action that may have just finished. We use this tense to describe action that happened recently and may still be happening or just stopped. Here we have example sentences. I have been cooking dinner. Maybe I just finished now. She has been talking on the phone all evening. We have been cleaning the house. They have been practicing for the match. I have not been sleeping well these days. He has not been studying lately. Questions. Have you been working on the project? Has he been feeling better? Use 3. Repeated actions or temporary habits. Here we use present perfect continuous tense for repeated actions that are temporary or recent habits. I have been going to the gym every day this week. She has been taking piano lessons lately. They have been meeting a lot recently. We have been drinking more coffee this month. And here we have table. I have been working on my project. I have not been working on my project. Have I been working on my project? You have been learning English daily. You have not been learning English daily. Have you been learning English daily? So you have all this table here. He, she, it, we, they, I, you, which are all used affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences are questions in present perfect continuous tense. So here you have to check your understanding of this chapter. I have been studying English for 3 hours. So you have to do these exercises, fill in with correct verb forms to make the present perfect continuous tense. And here you have answers for this exercise. You have got these answers in this book. And then you have quizzes. He has been reading the newspaper all morning. Now you have to use this be. He has been. Okay. Now here you have they been practicing for the competition. I hope you have learned from this lesson present perfect continuous tense in better way. See you in the next chapter.